Hi there, and thank you once again for joining me for another rock painting tutorial. In this video I will show you how to take an image like the one printed here on freezer paper and apply it to your rock and get most of the ink from the image onto the rock. This is a great way to transfer an image. I really haven't found a better way, and after I do this I'm going to embellish the rock with my own flowers and make it my own. So I don't have to do this part, but I like to just make it a little bit smaller because I don't like to have a lot of excess paper hanging off the sides. I'm just going to cut my image out so I can get a good placement on my rock. When you print your image from a word processing dock, you will have to print a mirror image because this is going to dry face down into the rock. So this rock has already been painted with white paint and sealed with Mod Podge matte gel medium, which I am going to use once again to, it's already dried on here, but this time I'm going to take my image and using my matte gel medium, whoops, there we go, just show you the color. I'm just going to take it, I'm going to go right over it, and it's going to dry clear, so I don't have to worry about it looking white or anything like that. You don't want too much, I mean just enough. You don't need to use too much because it might get more bubbles that way. The less bubbles the better when it's drying. And basically all you're doing is you're going to let this dry face down into your rock. All the instructions for this are going to be outlined in this blog post, but I just wanted to show you directly how I do it. So that's it. I'm just going to take my image now, and I'm going to put it face down, get a nice placement right in the middle, and let it dry. I mean, I might let this dry overnight. I want a really good image transfer. So I'm going to have part 3 of this video series where I'm going to reveal the image to you, and basically I'm just burnishing it with my fingers or just rubbing it, and what this is doing is it's just pushing the paint into the rock, and when I peel it back, it's just going to be the paint on the rock itself. And then you can add flowers, you can do whatever you want. You can leave it alone, you could just fill in the background with the sky, whatever you want to do. I like to add flowers and my own little touches, maybe a butterfly, maybe a ladybug, something like that. But yeah, that's it. So we're going to let this dry and join me in part 3. I will link the video, I will link the products that I used below in the description box to this video. Just hit the little arrow to the right of this video and you'll find links to the products that I used. Thank you for joining me, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care.